Hi, this is Raj from ML Sports Cars. Here I've got an absolutely lovely Carmine Red, special order colour Carmine Red, Macan GTS, 95B, Gen 1. Looking absolutely amazing in this special order colour. One of 3 special order colours that you could get the Macan GTS in, or Macan of this era. It's got some really lovely options on it, including the LED PDLS Plus headlights. So they have dynamic pattern assist, they rotate around corners. The wheels are the optional 21-inch Sport Classic wheels. We've just had them freshly refurbished, all 4 of them, with the diamond cut edge, just like they had from the factory. There was only a little bit of curbing on 2 of them, but we've done all 4 just so they all look exactly the same condition as new. It's got the Guards Red calipers with the Porsche script on them. Discs and pads all round are all good. Tyres are all good as well. They're all matching Pirelli P0 N0 rated tyres. It's got tyre pressure monitoring, which all Macans have. There's the tyre tread. It's got the matte black side blades with the GTS inscription on them. Very subtle, because it's in a, this is satin and then this is like a gloss black, so it's not particularly obvious, particularly in the pictures, but it's there. Obviously Carmine Red mirrors, and it's got the full 360 surround like top view, so you can, when you're reversing or going forwards at low speed, it will show you the full view round the car as if it's an aerial shot. Really nice feature, and you can also select exactly which camera you want to look at. Say if you're getting close to a curb, you can view that particular camera to see exactly how close you are. There's the tread of the rear. Again, lots of tread left on those. Brakes and discs, as I said, are in great condition as well. This car's got a full Porsche main dealer service history, all from one Porsche dealer, Porsche Colchester, and it's still got Porsche warranty till January as well, so that, which can be extended directly with Porsche. It's got the gloss black rear spoiler and also the gloss black roof rails, and it does actually also have the crossbars as well in the original Porsche bags. That was spec from the factory, so it comes with the car. Has the boot protector as well, first aid kit, has the BOSE system, so it has a BOSE amp in here, and it has a Porsche tyre compressor there. And then handily, also under here, you have the full 18-inch spare wheel kit, which is quite unusual to see. A lot just have the tyre gel, and then it has also obviously the jack and everything to change the wheel, so not many have that, and it's a useful thing to have. It does also have the tow bar, which retracts as well, so hopefully, let's just see that coming out. So that's really useful, electrically retracting tow bar. You can hear it whirring away. It takes a little while to come out, but there it is. And it's got electrical hookup there as well, so it's really nice it has that. That's very useful if you've got like a bike carrier, you don't want to put stuff on the roof, you can actually have a bike carrier that attaches to the tow bar, so that you literally just lift your bikes onto the back rather than all the way onto the roof there. And that's got that electrical hookup there. This car has actually got the air suspension as well, so you can actually lower and adjust the ride height. You can also lower the rear to aid loading into the back, and it's obviously got the full electric tailgate as well, which operates on the keys. There's 2 keys with the car as well. It's got the darkened glass rear lights, which were standard on the GTS. Let me just close that. And it's got the split folding 40-20-40 rear seats. Now, it doesn't just have privacy glass, it actually has insulated glass, so that insulates from both heat and from noise. Actually, let me just go around the other side and demonstrate. It's actually got laminated two panes of glass, so let me lower this one. So as you can see here, it's actually got 2 panes of glass there. Hopefully that's coming up in the camera. Makes it, and that's including the windscreen. All the windows are actually that laminated glass, which is supposed to sort of help against insulate against heat and also against the noise when you're driving along the road. Very nice option. On the inside, it's got the full black leather and Alcantara GTS interior, so it's got GTS embroidered headrests front and back, and all the stitching has been specified in black rather than red or rhodium silver, so very subtle. And it's got the Pano Roof as well. So let me just open that up so you can see that working as it should. So it has a wind deflector at the front there, and that's really nice because it really lightens up both when it is open and when it's closed. It really lightens up the cabin. From the factory is also spec with this black anodized aluminium trims rather than the polished piano black or carbon. And as I said, it has the BOSE system. Now it has also been optioned with the Sport Chrono Package Plus, which makes it slightly quicker to 60. I think it reduces by 0.2 seconds to 60, so it will do it in, just check my file, it should do it in around 4.8 seconds rather than 5 seconds, so it makes it very quick. Obviously they all come with the 7-speed PDK. It comes with the full CarPlay, a wired CarPlay system, which you can adapt to be full wireless CarPlay, and then it has the UK and European maps that the Porsche system have as well, and it has DAB radio. It has the reversing cameras, as I said, it has the reversing camera, but also the front facing camera, and also the cameras in the mirrors as well. 3-zone climate control, so it has 2 on the front and then 1 in the back. Heated seats also, 3-stage heating across it, and it has the full Sport Plus from the Sport Chrono package, but also the switchable sport suspension, which is actually air suspension, so it has comfort, sport and Sport Plus for the suspension as well separately. Has the switchable sports exhaust, start stop, you can turn traction control off there. It has off-road mode as well, and it has hill start assist, and it also has hill descent control, and you can also adjust the ride height here as well, so that's really nice. You can have it either higher or lower at the touch of a button. There's the hill descent control there. It has the optional embossed armrests, and interestingly it was spec'd in leather so that it doesn't grease up. I guess they decided to keep it in leather rather than the half Alcantara, half leather it would come with as standard. And it's covered 33,880 miles, and I'll just show you the next. Let me just start it up actually, because it sounds absolutely stunning. Beautiful sounding engine. So it's a 3-litre V6 twin turbo. It's got lots of power, so it has 360 horsepower, 369 foot-pounds of torque, top speed 159, 0 to 60 in around 4.8. It's produced in 2018. It's covered 33,880 as I said. Let's just pull up the service history. Oil measurement, yeah, there's the oil level, which is all good. Let's go to the servicing. So next service due April 2026, May 26, May 26. So the next servicing is due in April/May 2026. It has the stunning GT steering wheel, which has the full-size paddles for changing the 7-speed double clutch gearbox. You can go up and down even in full auto mode, or you can slide it across and use the stick as well. So to go down a gear, you pull it towards you, to push it away to go up a gear. It does have a CD DVD player there as well, and it also has slots for SD cards and also a SIM card if you want to have this with its own phone number separate from your mobile phone. Otherwise you can use Bluetooth or that wired connection which is in here. You can see it also has the Porsche Car Connect trackers there, so it's got the trackers which you can activate if you want to, and it has the cruise control also, but with also a speed limiter. Full auto lights as well, auto dimming mirrors as an option, and auto wipers. On this screen also you can view different things, so you can have those vital stats, or you can have the chrono stopwatch, you can have the all-wheel drive, how much power it's sending to the front versus the back, and then it has the tyre pressure monitoring as well. So that's all there, as well as if you wanted the map there. So really great system there. Let me just go and show you the engine bay. We take a lot of time on preparing these cars, so cleaning all under the engine bay is a must for us, because it makes them look really great. It's only got one previous owner from new. As you can see, it's in absolutely stunning condition there. Sounds absolutely glorious. It's got the black tailpipes and that lower splitter. So it's got the full sport design kit. So the front rear bumpers are the sport design package that come with the GTS, and also it has the sport design lower sills that are painted in Carmine Red as well. The window trims and everything are in this lovely gloss black, which is all unmarked. And I'll just show you the file that we put together so you can see something. You can actually view this online as well. So it has the full option list here. This is all viewable on our website. So there's the spec, then it has the options. I'll just go through this just to make sure I haven't missed anything. I don't think I have. Oh, it has the aluminium fuel filler cap as well. Isofix on the rear seats, which they all have. Auto dimming mirrors. Black anodized aluminium trim. So I think I've got everything from that side. Oh, black instrument dials as well, which is quite nice. This car was spec'd very, very well, I think. We've given this interior a full clean. It wasn't dirty, it's just that we give them all a refresh. So the leather and Alcantara is all properly treated. So it's all ready for the new owner. The BOSE system is 14 speakers, 665 watts, and it has the full mirror-link CarPlay system. I think I've covered everything on those pages. And then we run it through in terms of categories, so safety, audio, exterior and interior, so it's easier to read. Then we've got the full diagnostics. It hasn't got any over revs, it hasn't been clocked. We've done a check on engine hours versus mileage to work out the average speed, and that's well within tolerance. And then we've also interrogated the ECU, not only for the options but also for VIN number, engine number, colour, everything, and nothing's changed from the factory. Then we've got the service history mapped out as well. So it was supplied May 2018, Porsche Colchester, first serviced September 2019, then April 2022, May 2024, and then it had a warranty on recall, a warranty repair on the fastening bolts on the I think it's the timing chain cover. Quite a common issue, so that's been done July 2024, and as I said, it's still got warranty till January. So, and that can be extended 1, 2 or 3 years depending on what you want to do. And then we've got all the invoices as well, so MOTs and invoices, as well as the full stamp service book, the leather wallet that comes with it. As you can see, the sun's coming out now. I'll just close the roof quickly. Oh, I didn't press it all the way. There we go, that's it closing. The car has been ceramic coated 2 years ago, and as you can see, that's still in amazing condition. So the car is fully protected against surface contaminants. It's very easy to wash as a result as well. As you can see, it sounds absolutely incredible. There's the aluminium fuel cap. So it's all ready for a new owner to enjoy. If you are interested in this beautiful Macan GTS and special order Carmine Red, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.